All right, another day at White Oak Forge. You can see I'm working a little bit instead of cleaning up, but I've decided can't keep up with the coal demand making charcoal for my forge, so I've purchased this old air tank. I've cut my through holes in it. I've cut one end of it off and welded it onto a hinge for a propane forge. So it's quite a bit of work, but I think it's going to be real nice when I finish. This is just stage one. I got to get the wool liner, the bricks for it, and build a propane burner. But we'll let you know how things stand.